Hi friends and welcome to my channel Spring Bloom. Let's learn numbers 1, 2 and 3. Count number 1. 1 doll. 2 cars. 1 and 2 cars. 3 aeroplane. 1 2 3 aeroplane. 4 kitchen applicants. 1 2 3 4. 5 bicycle. 1 2 3 4 5 bicycles. 6 robots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 robots. 7 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 items. 9 train boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trains. 10 rabbits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rabbits. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.